Osakpolor no look good. Ah, we will send you something. That shoe when they leg, make take change am. Atete help the boy, change the clothes, buy boss guitar for him. Now so they take send me money. Money when they send that time was 100,000. And they take send the money come. I can't do another video. They say anywhere now see this Osakpolor, Mona let me know. That same woman where I for see Osakpolor, that same woman said the next 3 days, you see Osakpolor want to pass his store for a year. Now so you take call Osakpolor. Osakpolor come. That boy when the video you that they don't define you. Now so the woman take call me. Hello Atete. Come see Osakpolor over. He did my son and just they come. He remain yakpa mena arrière the place here ring road there. Mais il se va mena do ni Osakpolor. Osakpolor for wherever I know or where no. He carry one boy follow body. They record the boy agbiyaga. You don't chop. He say no. Now you come for pocket. Say oh yeah take money. Mona go chop. My fan don't bring money come for you. They say man take buy cloth for you. May you change this your shoe. Now so Osakpolor is finished. I can't carry Osakpolor go house, carry and reach house. I can't present the money given. As I present the money given, I can't say they say make I buy cloth for you, ma change this your shoe. Now the money when they say come. After I buy the cloth for her, change the cloth for her, give her the money. Now Osakpolor move. People consider they send me money say buy a boss guitar. May you straight in hand. Now see do video again. Before I see Osakpolor, he can't reach like a week. Now so he agree I can't go carry him, go buy a guitar, buy a handset, buy a clothes. He can't from there. I can't tell my wife say I thought like may we leave her for here first. As my people they give her money now. If he go us now. It even they call her. As I say, as he don't get phone, I never get SIM card. If I dey call Osakpolor, you know they even they pick and they never get SIM card. May first day here first. Now so Osakpolor take day with us.
Before then,
room when I go Osakpolor.
Hold on, before then, where Osakpolor they sleep? Before you know him.
Before I know Osakpolor, where they sleep?
Yes.
No, Osakpolor based on say before I know when I go Mama Agbiyaga say sometimes he go just come here house. If he come here, sometimes he go just see come out. Anywhere just see if he don't play guitar tire, he go just see relax for there.
That guitar when they play so.
And maybe if he just see play guitar there.
He sabi play the guitar or he all they play he go all they sing the
phone. No, not just jaga na they play.
Okay.
Now so Osakpolor take day with my house so I can't dey block her up, can't dey carry and go show, I can't go buy guitar, can't see the teacher small, you know they do the clever something. Osakpolor know they climb something. I would say na person where they climb something. If I even sabi they play guitar.
Okay.
Now so me I take there as we dey recently. His sister come call me say hello Atete. Egbe mara Osakpolor. If he sick small, he go well. If he sick small,
big pigeon. Atete, Papa Osakpolor no well. Because not be everybody here being for here.
Okay, Atete. Atete, Papa Osakpolor no well.
Who call you?
If he sick small, he go well. Sometimes he go there. Okay.
Who call you? Say Papa Osakpolor no well. Who call you? Say Papa
Nah, his sister. This is Papa Osakpolor sister.
Sister dey Europe.
Nah.
Papa Osakpolor.
No, it's dey Nigeria.
Okay.
The one wey dey Nigeria, he say that time Osakpolor don fair run after we don quarrel, it come still come back again, come beg. I just want cut and short. Now his sister come call me say Papa Osakpolor no well. Make I carry Osakpolor, make we go check am for village.
This guy's power.
So Now so I take carry Osakpolor, we can't go their village, it's doable. We reach there, I can't use and do video, say, me una see Papa Osakpolor, he know well, he know they see who they take care of, and be like person wey know the lack of food. And this one, as I look, cannot be say the sickness too much now because you know they eat good food. They can't still send me money. They can't send 150,000.
Who so? Who send you the money? People wey see the video wey you do.
People send money. Some send 20, 30, 10, 5,000. I even they see 500. So even they send 100 naira.
Yo. Okay.
Now so I take carry the money. Me and Osakpolor, we can't go village. We reach village, I can't call some of the Papa people say, see money when we gather for Papa Osakpolor, mona take care of. I know say this one no go even reach anything. But if na just the midwife, me una call her, make come dey feed drip for her, make still dey see money take dey eat. Make still see money take dey eat. They say, okay, no wahala. Na so I hand over the money, give them, I can't come out, come Benin. As I reach Benin, 5 days to when I give them the money, they can't call me, say, Papa Osakpolor, he don't die. After they call me, Papa Osakpolor don't die, I can't call one of the uncle. They say, Papa Osakpolor don't die. We say, oh, yeah, come meet me for Ring Road. Meet me for Ring Road. May we discuss first. As we reach Ring Road, if una dey hear me, ma say yes o, because sometimes my network dey worry. As we reach Ring Road, he come say, may we gather go their place for upper side 3 years. Mo go meet family. That time Papa Osakpolor don die. I carry Osakpolor, me and the boy, we go the family house. As we reach family house, now they say, Osakpolor, how far you want to do am? They say your papa don't die. They come still thank me for there. Now Osakpolor come say he want go village. Now they say money not there when you take carry and put for mortuary. May you just go village. Mona go bury am. See wetin they take the bury person. They measure goat, fowl, small fowl, white cloth, different things plus one plus drink and everything. Everybody they look me. Nobody greet us say see where they want for see money. Now me even carry.
I dey hear you.
They no get, they even dey hear me since.
I dey hear everything wey they talk. No worry.
Nobody even say see where they want for see money. Now me still carry one of his brother, Osakpolor brother, what they call Sagie.
They talk, I dey hear.
And carry a put for my motor. Go market. The market day before 3 years. We go buy goats. Now me pay 95,000. March when they take burial. Now me pay. Fowl, drink, everything for A to Z. When they take bury that man. Now tete. Now me pay am. After we buy and finish, we put am for my motor. We drive go where Egbede. They say no need of wasting of time. May everybody enter motor. May we go village. As we reach village, they come explain. Say Papa Osakpolor don't die. Egbe come, everybody consider. They come still thank me. Now you Osakpolor dey with. And you really try.
Hold on. Please power tap, guys. Mona say the gift time, I beg. Mona the gift time. Mona the. I mean, me Rose, but we have the other. At least that way you 5,000 coins per worry. You know say this platform na big platform. Allow. Oh yeah, gift over here. Mona say gift time. Say gift time. Mona the gift time. Allow. But we are gift me. Make the thing is sweet. Oh yeah, continue. Continue.
As we reach the village, they can't spray give Egbe can't they can't give the drink. Oh my network, oh, my network not to go fuck me up.
I dey hear you. I dey hear you. I dey hear. We dey hear you. Talk.
Now they hear me.
Yes, yes, yes.
They can't they can't give the drink. After they give drink, they can't show them where they want bury am. They can't go to dig grave. They say before they want dig grave, make them bring 2 carton and 1 hot plus some money. And money not come dey my hand again. Now they say Osakpolor, that time don't go almost 5 o'clock. Now say Osakpolor, I dey come. And now as POS dey around this village, they say no, where I want for see POS, make I go Ugboko Junction. POS dey there. Now take carry MC Face, my friend. Now we drive to Ugboko Junction. I come withdraw money 50k. Me and MC Face come eat. Before I come out for the village, the brother give me tire, make I help and patch. The tire come less. I can't put am for boot. I reach Ugboko. I can't do the tire. As we finish, withdraw money, go back to the village again. As we dey go for road, close to the village, we come see 3 vigilante. Dem dey front, dey block road. They come dey tell me say, go back, go back, go back, go back. Now as I say dey go, na some person wey me and gather dey go come say, they say make you go back, you see dey go. Now take put motor for revive, dress, go back. Go wait for far distance more. I still dey see them. As I wait, na someone back man take pass me. As that back man pass me, they come push that bike man. They push your bike man when carry water come for. Another 2 vigilante come out for bush. As they come out for bush, they come dey tell me say, go back. As they waka dey corner, so I take put motor for reverse. Reverse, go turn for front, go wait for one village before Boko. Now so I take carry phone, call that brother. Hello boss, I dey come oh, I be dey come, vigilante dey road oh. I don't know whether they want put me for bush oh. I know they pass here again. That time after 6, almost 6:30. I know they pass here again. I don't know. Then they use gun threaten me. Now some of village, some of people for that village come and say, you go be careful. Yesterday, it be like say whether na henchman fair go use gun kill person for bush. I be 3 days day before yesterday. Whether the henchman fair go use gun kill person for bush, oh, you go be careful. Small time, in brother can't use in brother can't send person, they can't use back, can't meet me. They can't now say, carry tire, I know they pass here again. Carry your tire. Before I want move, I can't call Osakpolor. Osakpolor, how far? Where you dey? He say, they don't do everything finish. Now say, then they use a gun till they threaten me. Oh, I want go. I know they pass here. Make they not go carry me put for bush. Oh. Now so I take from there move. Come Benin. Before I reach out was 10 o'clock in the night. As I reach out, I still call am. You go follow Osage come Benin. He said no. They say may wait till tomorrow morning. As I said, they bury Papa today till tomorrow morning. When they break, I can't call am. How far? He say no get transport when he want to come back to. Una dey hear me?
Yes, we dey hear you. We dey hear you. We dey hear you.
My network is.
We dey hear you, Sakpo. Dey hear you. That's why I say on the power tab, my people. Power tab still dey seize network. Power tab still dey make network good. One the power tab allow. Continue, my brother. Continue. Continue.
Okay. Osakpolor, that is when in the morning I can't call Osakpolor. Osakpolor, how far? Where you dey? He say he want come back to Benin. He no get transport when he want to come Benin. Now, he no get.
I dey hear you. We dey hear you. Continue.
Okay. He say he no get transport to come back to Benin. Now say find POS for that village. Now send 10,000 go give Osakpolor. The name wetin I take send am. The name na Maureen Uche. I sent 10,000 give am. As I sent 10,000 give Osakpolor, make take come back. When 3 o'clock don sharp for afternoon, Osakpolor never reach am. Now I call Osakpolor. I call Osakpolor, call. Osakpolor no pick my call. He no pick my call. In the evening around that kind 6 o'clock, Osakpolor come call me. Hello, Oga. I don reach Benin. Family say make I go arrange wetin I want to do burial, and I want to go find my brother. Make I see go hustle for Oliha. My network just poor.
We dey hear you.
Make I see go hustle for Oliha. Now say okay, you want go hustle? He say yes. Now say okay, no wahala. Which is I don't know say na him brother na him carry am for village, carry am go house. Before I come to see saga for TikTok. Now so I take see am my brother.
Okay, wetin they call the talk for TikTok? Wetin you see? Wetin you can't see? When you not come feel hear from Osakpolor, why you home? Wetin you can't see? Wetin they call the talk? Will surprise you. You dey hear me? Hello? Wetin you see when they
I
bring?
dey hear you.
Wetin you can't see when Osakpolor talk? Wetin you see? Wetin you see? Please power tap and share. Atene. They hear me?
Baba old.
They hear me?
I dey hear now.
Wetin you see? One year. Wetin you see?
I dey hear.
I say wetin you see? Nigeria network we ma bo yan le Nigeria network igbe. Nigeria network. Wa mi ewe. Wo wa o wa ri ja ma gbon na. Nigeria network. Ma gbon le wa fi wa Nigeria network. Gbogbo agberu wa bi wa ya da gbogbo na o wa Nigeria. E mi o pa. Now what Nigeria network ma God forbid. You dey hear me now? You clear now? You dey hear?
I dey hear you.
I say wetin you can see. One year.
Clear.
1 year. Iye wa amwebogbe Nigeria network. Oye we amwebogbe yan we dole yi. Where imi e bo Osakpolor? Wetin you can see for Osakpolor and we can surprise you?
Wetin go surprise me? I hear say they say I will say me put him papa for us. Him papa for not die. Me no obey am. He dey talk, me no obey am. Me no go where they for bury papa. He say he want go stay with him papa. Me say no. Now that one come dey see o. Now so fit relax my mind to make I not go die because of Osakpolor matter. He don't wake na surwense a surwense o.
All right, I want to play something for you now. Make we check this matter well the way it be. Please, guys, help me to share the video. Please, when I observe this video, when I play for now, so this is what really got my attention.
I made them see the gift me small.
Voilà, we are gifted. Voilà. When I see what I want to play for now, I down here.
All my fans, now good afternoon. When I know all my fans, I've been one and over say I come out for where Atene they come meet my papa, but I'm not going to give you because why? Waiting our God do, you know good. But when I got in our water, if you know Gamel Emma, because why?
I beg, Osakpolor don't get fans. Atene.
No, maybe na my fans, they call it fans.
Okay, let's go.
When we come reach my daddy village, come reach there, we come over the money give me.
Wait.
I'm a papa that. When I know. All my fans have been one and over say I come out for where Atene they come meet my papa, but I'm not going to give you because why? Waiting our God do, you know good. But when I got in our water, if you know Gamel Emma, because why? When we come reach my daddy village, come reach there, we come over the money give my papa that. Come over the money give her. Then we come buy bread, buy a provision just to give her. I can't tell Atene say I want to stay with my daddy. Because why? I know they will not be all our physical talk because na small because Ogbenya all there. Una dey understand what I talk so because why? As you see me, I know this small pikin, but wetin Atene do? Okay, I want to stay with her. My daddy, my papa maybe say for me to say me stay with her. My daddy for never there. My daddy for never there because why? I can't tell them say me they carry my daddy. Me have to take my daddy go better hospital. Atene, no one may do. They say better hospital, not the village. Better hospital. Okay, as you take carry me put for us, carry my daddy put for us. Atene, no one will obey me. She say my daddy don't die but.
My fans have been one of verse for me. I be human being too, okay? And I get her to laugh. That's why I say I do interview. Okay, but one of verse. I beg now, yeah. I'll tell her the reason why they laugh if I don't play this video. Finish. You know, understand?
Right. You know they want to go put out for grand though. They get me, all my fans. I tell them they don't want to when visit me go put my daddy for grand. But I surprised to see your video for my phone. For my own phone. I forget I see the video. Maybe I take all the post and say, cause they say we're not going to just on those another level in here. I for meeting you say me I dey follow am.
Your helper. You are telling your helper, say your helper not obey you. And listen no. 2, you are telling your helper, say your helper disrespected you. 3, you dey command your helper, say as they put you for us, make them come add your papa join now for person wey get wife and children. Osakpolor, may I put your picture for you, maybe for nothing that you are the turtle. Maybe your brothers will watch this thing now. All those your papa brother not first see you, they play guitar where it not make sense. They follow everywhere they go. Because me think the guitar where they play, they make sense. When people go, they sit down, they listen to you. Me I know say na jargons. Agbekwe could go watch guitar and they play. Inside there, you still they use atara till they collect the veil. Fine and good. But you see person wey put you for us. You are not his blood. This person get cousin, he not put them for us. He get relative outside the wife and family. He can't put you for us. So you want make the cost put your papa for us. Atete, I beg unmute. You get question I will ask you. Atete. Unmute. He say,
Okay, Baba.
He say you say your papa brothers now winch. You talk that kind of word. Say you say your papa brothers now winch.
Bime wa ya ti Osakpolor me we tira azeno. Osakpolor wan talk one word. He say me not dey where they for bury papa. Where I come see that video. Everything when I do for their video, everything. That boy, now he just dey tell and say, see wetin he want talk, just to use me to brew the platform.
Wait.
More, we thank God for everything, my brother.
Atete, wait. You tell us yours now, say, because of the vigilante where you be one pass when you dey come back, you not go fit go there again.
They don't already bury am before me move now.
Okay, they don't already bury am. Okay.
Yes, now.
We understand. So that may not be say with the. I just want to do am the way it be. Also
Now let obey and not obey am.
Okay.
Keep papa for us.
Okay.
Nadia
for okay. It's okay. I beg. Who be all this one with the report, man? This thing, not the craze. Who be all these ones now? With the who are me there? Oh, be all these ones with the report, man. Because I put Osakpolor picture for here. I see they worry on now. Well, why? Okay, may I put plus 21? Tell me more already. Now this and this account now they come.
I for obey am.
Okay, plus 21. I don't put on. Maybe what will wait me. Okay, my people, let's go. You see one thing about people where they beg, they get the belief say, you know, only one thing I'll tell you be say, where you for still fuck up, I'll tell you. Because that is why he feels so entitled to you. Yes. You for open account for Osakpolor. Because if he say any money where they send for you, now because of how they send that for you. You not can get who they send you money. Now because of fam, because now Jesus Christ, now he be. The listing, one, the two. So if he say the money where that they send down because of him, they send you because of him, go reach you to take care of him, papa. That is where the one thing when make him feel entitlement. What I put to you so just be like what I put to Lucky Udu. Please guys, power tap for me and gift. Please guys, power tap and gift. What I put to you so be like what I put to Lucky Udu between him and Skyby. When Skyby issue the come, you'll see me if I do donation. I know they put my account to avoid things like this. If I want to do donation, I'll tell the person may call out bank details with your math. So that tomorrow, you know, if he say they give me money, I don't want to give her. You're good, not go buy you.
Okay.
You're good, not go buy you. You did a good thing by accepting someone you did not know. It not be your pikin, it not be your brother, it not be say that mama bona or your half brother. But one thing about people like Osakpolor, they feel so entitled. They feel so entitled to the extent that give me. People they say money, give me. They don't know say you where you stand as a collateral. You are supposed to be Osakpolor boss forever till you can't become of age. Me where you they see so. Before me, cause they collect money from media. I get boss before. Not be only me one. A lot of presenters they under this person before. Where they give us money. It go all our page. If not end, it will give us money. When we come guys, we can see and say, if they cheat us. The money we're supposed to give us, you know they give us that part of the money. We come tell and say, now we need to the do 70-30. It cost to get where it reach. The 70-30 not gonna make sense again. We come tell and say, give us our page. We cannot do it on our own. Because I'm a family man, I have responsibilities. I cannot be talking on social media and at the end of the day, one person will all day one say they shop the money. But in this Osakpolor case, how old is Osakpolor Atene? How many years Osakpolor dey?
The way they talk, Osakpolor should be 35 and 34. I know be me bona.
You say
when they talk
am again?
35 or 34.
Larry Atene, are you serious? No.
Eba Osakpolor ke pekita le lawyer. I may even you one and I do me where my brother area ye person they pray me good no killer. We thank God for everything.
Wait now. Wait. You get what I want to understand. Wait. Not be now this one they talk with this guy.
Nah.
Now you open why they not blame you now? Why people not go blame you Atene? And now I know why they drag you. Person where they go 40 years. You put them for us.
Person where you no game. No game.
When would you Atene? Any name you come here, our Satan this period. This minute, come here, no game. Osakpolor. I said Osakpolor Atene. Wait, you not we know saying at that aging day, or you know and you still put her fast.
I not even know when I come reach village. Now one woman come they say a daughter. Osakpolor a daughter. Osakpolor senior a daughter. Oh. That one don't dey 33. That one don't even dey born for husband house.
Hey, now I see where, because the way they ask you for money, the guy demand for money no be. I know it won't be me. And they look Osakpolor like 24.
Ego le marry yourself. Emma Osakpolor Emma ya we are tema can't we are 20,000 Osakpolor bambana. Oba wala dio na chefu give her any that. 500. Marry anywhere, take. Marry anywhere, take your own. Marry anywhere, take your own. A person or second and a double person with bread. Coco no can investor or you be delania. And where on now?
Speak pigeon, take talk what you talk so make them for hear you well.
I say money won't I say make I take go open account for Osakpolor. Money not even reach us stay it. You know food when Osakpolor dey. If you give Osakpolor 10,000, no. Now cheerful giver. That 10,000, you don't know whether they see tomorrow. He go outside. He go reach where they sell something. He go say, I don't buy something for you. That one will say no. He go say, take your bread and percy. I don't buy for you. That one will say no. Take your own. I don't. And then I buy me. I went how far? Where money? I went me wave agree. Me okay. Don't mind that. You know they know whether they see tomorrow. Person when I see one call. I see one call like this.
Wait away.
I see. You know, they hear me.
Yes.
I see one call like this. One pastor they call me. I don't want to pick the call. I say, Osakpolor, help me tell this person say na wrong number. Job I say hello na wrong number. He pick and finish say hello. Me no Osakpolor. Oga me when me tam we wrong number no. Oh mama I want ya. Ah. My God say make I tell you say na wrong number.
My people were angry. Oh my goodness, why angry?
My God say make I tell you say na wrong number. I couldn't share. Come go.
Talk against Osakpolor. I say Osakpolor tete. Talk against.
I see call when I don't want pick. I see call when I don't want pick.
Yeah.
I say Osakpolor, help me pick this call. Just say hello.
Yeah.
Na wrong number. He say hello. Na me Osakpolor. My God say make I tell you say na wrong number. If I go do that one. Everything when Osakpolor they talk for media, so now that boy just they tell her. Now just to use and spoil my name. God no go gree.
Okay. For those of now where they say let's hear from Osakpolor, una fit go interview Osakpolor. Una hear, I don't get any problem with Osakpolor, but the only issue when I get be say, Atene Dusty explain say he not get. They never say money take it finish. Wetin
we get?
Okay.
As I dey here, so I no get money for my account. Me and I am here bank. Na manager dey.
Okay. But Atene, it's okay. So now, meaning Osakpolor get some issues like nature cheat am.
Yeah.
And I don't know what they talk. Me no go bless say they use insultive words on Osakpolor because people sabi change word no they'll say no give the mock am. So I don't want to go deep into wetin I suppose talk. Or let me use the way I want to talk am before. So no, just leave that side. Now, bro, in case of next time, you might accept Osakpolor back. I don't know. Because the right time for you say una don first see quarrel before you take am back. I don't know if he comes to beg you tomorrow.
This one no game.
Wait.
If I accept Osakpolor for this, anything when I see, I go bear am. You don't already spoil my name. And more leave that one. Case you talk to me, finish, make I go.
Hold on. Yes, you should come out. Normally, the day when you confirm Osakpolor age, you suppose go rent house for Osakpolor for outside.
Now when the time when papa dey sick, who can't go village. Now one woman come talk and say, you are my daughter. Even you still use like 2 years or 1 year senior my daughter. That one at 32, 33. He dey husband house now. Now that day I can't even know say, no be your mama dey carry waka. My brother no get. We thank God for everything. Sometimes now, if you tell them say, help me go back, they know they say now 2 things something. No be fault. I don't tell laughing. Maybe you say now, buy razor blade. From there, just help me buy pick milk come. Once you buy razor blade, no know whether they see pick milk. Sometimes the owner of store come call, hello, Atene, wetin say make your boy buy? he reach here and they look me. Not be fault.
I know. Okay, no problem, my brother. But next time, try as much as possible to be very careful before you help anyone. This one almost the same thing wey real papa pikin do then. Check them well before me do donation for person. No, not stop your good. Before me do donation for person, I dey check them well. Like area,
thank you for the deed.
I dey bring Eritio pikin later now. Okay, the one wey I still do some days ago, which is Presta, I check am well.
Right, thank you.
And I found out say the guy need help. Before you help anyone, because you might endanger your life with this Osakpolor matter. Let me explain. Tomorrow, may God not let Osakpolor go join bad gang. Osakpolor already get grudges for you. Say, now you make it papa back. With the way they talk just now. If it come as a revenge for you. Osakpolor get the man say money where they don't donate for and don't pass 10 million naira or more than for your hand. And you know rich.
Since when Osakpolor dey with me, they no game.
I dey hear you.
Since when Osakpolor dey with me, nobody go fit tell me say don't send 200,000 for Osakpolor. Mais we go ni me Osakpolor my think we fit finish bag of rice for 2 weeks. Well, you don't know whether they belle full. You don't know whether they belle full.
2 weeks.
I feel even say
Why? Okay,
for Edo State, if it be no may we leave that one. I feel even say for Edo State, if it come out from number 3, 4, person where they eat.
Like if they all do full competition now, Osakpolor carry first.
Even I beg you. He never eat food remain for my house once. Say you give am, say I beg me we leave that side. I try for that boy upon say he use good bad to pay me. I thank God for everything. And if I do am bad, he good. Everything do. We thank God for everything and okay. Thank you.
Oh man, they go.
Where's it about?
I appreciate you coming to my life.
Do well.
No problem.
Cannot feel your, cannot feel your. All of una do well. Una try. While say una do well.
All right.
Una thank you.
All right. So guys, I believe this is one of the funniest interview I have ever.
Wey go the guy, he need a guardian. That kind of boy na person wey be say go dey handle am, wey be say go dey handle do all those things for am. He no need to open account. That boy they go run am street. You
Okay.
get?
You know why I say if for opener for am, the owner for am, in case of transparency tomorrow, because the way they drag Atene for some people platform dey vex me.
No, see, Enoge, that see.
They not go fit do. They see who they do am best.
Enoge, you know, say even if he does that, they will still drag him. That's the law of social media, you know. Even if he opens the account, he will still be dragged. They will look for another thing to drag him. Osakpolor is not okay up there. Forget transparency, forget that thing. Enoge, that boy needs somebody that will guide him. That boy is a full content on his own. He just needs somebody that will hold his leash. And let's be very, very straightforward on that. Because if Mo put you for Osakpolor shoes, you know how to handle that kind of boy. You know the kind of things where you go create with that boy. Even Atene self, sometimes that they see Atene don't tire. He don't tire for the boy. You know, he want to pursue the boy come up for us. That boy no way. See as he sit down for chair, they talk. Person will feed you. I mean, we can drop come down, I mean.
He say no obey me.
He said, your master not obey you, your helper not obey you. Osakpolor.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, bros.
Good morning.
You know, Osakpolor, I know Arishas. In more than a more, VJ. That boy at 25 years a day. He never reached 5 years.
I just tell you.
The time they take ball Osakpolor, we know. So Atete no know real age.
Thank you so much for clarification. MC Kekere.
Epa, Domo.
Hey,
I don't
Wesley.
vex o. I don't know whether you go fit just give me like 5 to 10 minutes make I explain something to you. I don't know. Yeah. Because waiting happened to Atete so it also happened to me 2023 stroke 2024.
Okay.
About one guy when be say he blind, he dey play guitar when I help for this media. But just my own, he not change to saga. Why? Because I use sorry bro, because I use follow the matter at that time. Though we open account for that guy. Even everybody know when Tony Kabaka even help. Now me bring that guy come out for media. As everything take happen now to this guy, now wetin happen? When money don't they come, family, when no, they no even till today as I dey talk to you partner. No of that boy family call me say, my brother, we see what you do for our brother. Oh. But blind person, I dey tell you you know they see you. But if you give this guy money, say okay, may he carry for pocket money, the same family go collect the money for house.
Yeah.
The same family go collect, they go send this boy money that time. One of your uncle collect 100,000. Till today, there is no family that called the manager because how did it take up that type of, I see the guy video for TikTok. I can't post that for Facebook. The video can't go viral. People can't reach out to me. Who be this boy? Who be this boy? Nah, me no know am. They say make I help them find the guy. I can't they call people, can't they call many musicians for Benin. I know this guy, they say they don't know am. I call my sister because my sister na dancer, they follow Stalio. I call Stalio, I call a lot of people, they say they don't know am. Before one guy, when the guy they follow, they go dance, when he go they back and can't drop comment for that video. Say he know the guy. I can't contact this guy. As I contact him, he say yes, say he know the guy. Say now Okada the guy they stay. If they follow and they go show, if they go get show, say the guy sabi play guitar where I say okay. People need this guy. Oh, they say they won't help him. How we go fit see him? The bros cause a problem, not they. He go call and make it come Benin. I cause okay, if you come Benin, you call me. The guy can't really come Benin. They can't call me for video call. I can't see him. I can't know say okay now the guy. Then they call the guy Audion. I say Audion, people won't help you. Oh. See him na Europe a day. But wetin go happen? Where we want from start? People say they won't buy you guitar. They won't close you. So that guy when be saying na Kisley when they follow gold show, that one can say okay, wetin go happen? The boy never get account. I request for account for the first time because the boy never get account. I cause okay, but people won't want send some money. They'll fit put am for your account. Make you follow this boy, buy a board guitar, buy everything. He can't say problem all day. We can't really do one. Because you say money don't they come. I can't tell this manager say carry this guy because I know say I don't see a lot of help when be at the end of the day they go say you chop money. Say carry this guy, go account, go bank, open 2 accounts. Open one for am when be say he go fit get access to that account. Open another one when be say na joint account. Without you, he no go fit collect money. Without him, you no go fit collect money for that account. Because say no wahala. Come carry the boy go bank, open the 2 accounts. Because say the second account will be your own in case as he dey Okada, if he request he no get money, then you fit use your personal money, put money for that account. If they use anytime when you come Benin, now first go joint account, withdraw the one when you take send that money, collect your money back. You can't say no wahala. You can't begin to promote this guy. They promote this guy because this guy that time when 24 beat musician go UK the second tour. I can't do one jingle video. Take draw 24 beat attention. Do shout out for 24 beat. Send out for WhatsApp. The guy release the bros really see my video. He repost them. So ending of 2023, when 24 bit can't do end of the year party for Benin, he can't invite the guy. Which in this case, still know a lot of musicians see the draw connection. 24 bit that this guy speaker, he dash an electric guitar. Other people see dash and something. A Tony Kabaka can't see this guy for my Facebook page. Can't contact me. We can't link a pa to this matter. He can't go a pass. Anytime we take go a pa, I go play. Nothing less than 200,000 with this guy. they carry come up for there. I cause okay, what you want to do now? You first get music. He say he get
Madam up.
yeah, man. He say he get music. So we just okay.
Madam up. Why you know what it can happen?
Okay, you know we soon pa me itana. Anyeri we launch after you don't do launching of album. We don't dey gather money to the buy instrument. We don't dey buy small instrument. Baba na oga come out to oga say na him teach and work. Oga we will never see so. Family can't come out to. Woman when be say he can't see rose see. Woman can't come out to. Baba na long story. This matter I want me to tell you pa. I go do operation of eye. I swear to God.
Why you go do operation of hair?
If I tell you, wetin make me when me no get, I no get one day I no get problem of eye from Nigeria to Europe because of this matter, pa. I go operate eye put.
Why you operate hair?
But me no suno. We no kwaga day. Why I go help? Why I go help?
Yeah.
Why I go help? Epa, I say he master when teach am music, threaten us.
We'll see. But your hair don't finish now, be?
Papa, you don't finish now. I will say, Baba.
Well, man, so I will see how we're full.
Don't I mean, any other, I heard the user, any other person won't help. If you see the way they go, withdraw your body, do go for go, let them go. Because sometimes, now help you, we won't help, you go return back.
We'll see.
That's what the matter here, Papa.
Hey, Investor Blaze. Hello? Investor. Spicy.
Pardon, that's you, sir.
Hey.
That's you, sir. Okay.
I get with you 1 year for this Osakpolor matter, but you made the effect of normal level.
Okay. Spicy.
Epa, wetin me wan talk be saying, you see this Osakpolor matter so not the Osakpolor be the problem. Now the family not be the problem. Because if you watch that video well,
This guy's power tap. Yes.
because if you watch that video well, you'll see us now that Osakpolor brother, they tell Osakpolor wetin you want talk. You dey say me your oga pull your papa for house. Now your oga be hospital. That your brother when he be say he carry camera. That your brother will be say he carry camera set put for you make they talk when they make they talo. Why that brother not carry your papa put for house?
God bless you.
Before Atete put you for house, where that your brother, he not see you where they run around for streets. Why you not put her for house? So Osakpolor not because Osakpolor not know what they do. Now what they tell her say talk, now go talk. Go like this, now go. And I dey pity for the boy. And now come like say heaviness come the entertainment industry. But say Atete na musician. That Osakpolor brother too na musician. And the couple like Atete now people don't they know Atete pass this Osakpolor brother because natural Osakpolor not know Atete. I don't know Atete before. So a couple like say heaviness don't they day. That papa brother don't say okay if it Osakpolor people go one come no say okay in they sing music and all that then one call they come they gift her. And then they feel like say maybe money will be say they come Atete they shop the money.
Exactly. Thank you.
You understand? And not just common sense. Osakpolor, see, I see they talk at it today. May nobody vex for Osakpolor beg. Now beg at the over Atete, I see they beg at Atete. Because Osakpolor don't know one or two. Now what did they tell her say talk? Now they talk.
If you see her now, the way he master take explain just now, nobody supposed to blame Osakpolor again.
Yeah. Because the man who they talk just now say not be Osakpolor fault and all that.
Imagine.
I you say your guy not call your papa better. You know now can't be now your papa be. Now your guy be. Your guy not be your kagbe. Your guy house not be hospital when you be say you supposed carry your papa go. So why you dey vex say they not your guy not agree me they carry your papa come the house?
He papa conjoin he wife and children plus.
The wife and children for you where they don't put for house, he never reach you. You supposed to carry your papa join. Very untitled people. A very titled. See, entitlement that they keep people for this life. Entitlement that they keep people for this life because I don't help you already. I don't carry you come off for streets. What else do you want me to do for you? They feed you, they clothe you, they show you to the world. Many people they see you, they help you. Instead of you to they run about for streets, up and down. I pull you for house. Now your brother carry camera, they say maybe they talk, maybe they tarnish my image for wait I don't do rich like that. Now heaviness, this whole thing why you see for this matter, now jealousy. Now jealousy. That's just it. Because you did the entertainment industry. Me, I did entertainment industry. We dey sing, I dey sing. Complex na me people can't know pass you.
Yes.
And your brother now, so he dey with me. So you feel say maybe I dey use your brother, make people for they know me.
Exactly.
So make people just use sense, like now just sense people suppose use because this matter safe, na very nonsense. Now matter will be saying that they keep person, that be this one.
Exactly.
Because if you don't heavy the guy, before you know they'll go put accident for a motor, go not be this Osakpolor that carry your guy motor go jam, they not give her key.
Yes.
Your guy they sleep, he carry key come out, you go jam, you go tell the security man say my guy see my car carry motor. Ogas of the day say hotel they sleep. Osakpolor carry key, you go scatter your guy car. Eh? But still, that must still put that picking for house. Ungrateful people everywhere. So if I just now that a brother now be the problem, not before Osakpolor. That Osakpolor brother.
Only waiting that they beg Atete for. Atete say no will accept him back. So okay.
It's fine. He has the right because they don't do the man. May they not go kill and join waiting he no know. If not, me I not go give Osakpolor who come and ask again. Because if he come now every next this one really say don't do a physical now, it not work. Don't go do a spiritual.
All right.
More understand.
We'll see. Thank you.
Pardon.
We'll see. Investor.
Okay.
Hey, Baba.
What for, boy? About
Yeah, Baba.
So, my sister has said, you see that that boy, the senior brother or junior brother to Osakpolor, I don't know, and he's a smoker. If you look at the guy's eyes, you will know that that guy is not okay. Okay, before I take Osakpolor to a band and to house, where was this boy? Where was he?
Where was his father? His father's brother.
No, forget. Maybe the father was sick or one thing or other. This boy
father's brothers.
That the father brother who is dragging Osakpolor now. Where was he? Where was him? Is it on jail or maybe was in a hospital? So as I see, that boy is not okay. He's a drunkard and he's a smoker. Yeah, that guy is not still okay. So everybody should have mention or should have pity for Osakpolor. And so that is it. I even beg, I want to take this opportunity to beg my brother Atete. He should forgive anything that Osakpolor said, anything Osakpolor did, she will forgive him. That's all. And okay, thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you. My video. Everybody English, all of the tasks. Now, my video. As stress be ye magbona. Man, makeke na stress be ye magbona. Magbona na bali be ye video. You know, ma go ya zibo ma kan wa. E na ge wan yi. But we are magwazwe. Wa correct e. Agi egbe. So they laugh person. So, my people, I want to thank you. I will be back again later by 7. Please, all these things with the happen. So, Mona, they use until the wise are big. All these things with the happen. So, now wisdom. If I hear from Osakpolor first, please. Person where they tell, say, I beg, tell this man, say, I know the house. Say, I dey sleep. Osakpolor carry phone, talk, say, my oga say make I tell you say he dey sleep, say if he wake up he go call you. Now that cape you say me I go hear phone. If he reach here, he come laugh for me and say you will not get where they interview me so. I borrow you money. Yes, I borrow you money if I no get. No. You Osakpolor don't want pay me. How na want talk? Na say no get. Give her him money. But me magbawa. Now me no want set up. Anybody will carry Osakpolor for interview, he set himself up because Osakpolor fit talk say he give him 1 million naira make help. People go feel pity for him. Why you go on at the interview? I mean, me was said that the celebrities in big game. Me I may have your interview. I got ya your hakpa. Your mind your have video. You do not that. You will not tag back. I do not tell you please the pa please. Please let
I agree the answer.
DJ baby.
Hey, my God. I have fed now.
I do other way.
This so yes, I be one may you bring Atete come back because that guy he try well, and that gift when they gift on the fee claim her back. So that if anybody see get into one giver, I for never come out for yours. I wish he pays account here for from here, just put something for her. Because that guy get good heart. You understand? Waiting he do not be everybody feed one. You understand? Yeah. Waiting for me pass. Now when I tell they say he tell him master say make it we far for her.
They don't give me the gift, or they don't collect her.
You don't collect her now. You're not supposed to come on like that.
Now no get support drop me fair no, I no fair no.
Waiting they make me laugh. He say he tell him master say make it put his father for us.
Obey.
Say you not agree
He say me no obey.
So now that one entire me. The fact they say you try, to be honest, it's not easy for you to accept person where not be your blood, put for house, they take care of. We are they see all the negatives when they do. Yes. Even sometimes you go buy a bag of rice. This guy go your tip up for shit.
My brother, we dey eat. With money come they won't happen. No. My brother, we thank God for everything.
So what will happen if anybody get anything go put for this guy, I can make it put that because I hear when they tell us I say nothing day account. Not be saying
I get money for account.
Not be saying I no get say.
My account. They just say atete.
Yeah.
For the city money.
Not be saying I no get say me they contribute for them. This one I just waiting person mad just feel like to do because normally. When person get good man, you yourself, maybe now God will still lead you to do something, if at all. You understand? So it's better, say maybe you hang the account here also, because I wish you even day up, I know bother come up, because all the contribution what they do, not be muscle will come up, come talk, and you understand? You try, and I go, now I go bless you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
So now so it be. Okay, you everything I thought, now if I thought.
Yeah.
So I agree the house, so now well done, eh? So if the account all day, I go see him.
No, thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, well done, eh?
Okay, Osakpolor, may I drop you?
Okay.